This is the Nimsruc Women's Summer Casual Bodycon Dress, the perfect balance between sexy and casual. The high-stretch, breathable fabric is designed to hug your curves, giving you a sleek and flattering silhouette. No matter your body type, with a fitted design, this dress highlights your best features. The knee-length and wrap front create a slimming effect, while the package hip design shapes your body beautifully, offering built-in shapewear. Dress it up or down effortlessly, pair it with sneakers for a laid-back, daily look, or throw on heels for a night out. Perfect for any occasion, whether it's a party, a night out, or even a casual day. Available in a range of colors. From classic black to bold red, this dress is a showstopper. And best of all, it's easy to care for. Just machine wash with cold water and hang dry. Ready to turn heads? Get your Nimsruc Women's Summer Casual Bodycon Dress today. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment with your favorite color, and subscribe for more stylish reviews.